Hello guys, and welcome to another video added waves on cryptos. Apologies for not being much online lately. We are back, and today I'm going to have a double video for you, double coin video, call it whatever you want. So we're going to analyze again two coins. Yeah, as you well know, the the backlog is getting bigger and bigger. So while at the same time some of the altcoins have explosive moves, so we need to be there and make sure that you know educate you. At least you know some critical points on the upside, some critical points on the downside, and where we're exactly in terms of market cycles. So I will start with H bar first, and then we're going to go to the Sutherland for today. As you see over here, I've did my magic data line again because TradingView is missing this part of the data. So for this upside up to 15 cents or something just before the 29th of September, it was like the 17th or so. So from there we started decline down. This was our new low, and since then we started moving up. Okay, and this moved on the upside looks quite impulsive in the even on the first move, yeah, on the first leg over here. So we've done an ABC. This is a triple zigzag, W, X, Y, X, and Z in wave X, and then we've had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you well know, this is a flat pattern. A flat compromise is containing ABC and ABC and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, there's three types. We're looking at the regular flat over here, okay, and it's got a bit of a truncated wave Y as well, okay, which is very possible. So that flat now, when we broke that sort of trend line, you can say, yeah, we've got a false break, boom, and explode higher. We're on the logarithmic chart, don't forget as well, guys. So this is a very, very, very impulsive move on the other side that we have seen. Yeah, so what's going on with H bar? Here's what I've done, right? I've went all the way back to zero and I went up to the top that we did, yeah, for the minor degree, and all the way down to 2 for the Fibonacci extension, yeah, in order to be able to project where prices could go. These are the levels here that I've got here, guys, are not random, okay? They are levels that we usually see receiving some more attention from traders. Now over here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, multi-structure done, 4 again, yeah, shorter than this, rule of alternation respected, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it looks like to me. I will explain why. Because this is a 5-wave impulse to me in wave 5 of 3, right? In pink of green, which means it's a 5-wave. 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is internal. And we're going to get a correction over here and then another move to the upside. Why I want a correction here that is going to last a little bit longer than this is in order to respect the rule of alternation. Okay, so from the top down here, it's 1st March, so about a week. Okay, so I want this correction to last probably half that, so a few days, guys. It could be a triangle, it could be a zigzag, simple, or a double, it could be a flat, it could be anything. Why am I expecting this to come in? It's because we did the 300 Fibonacci extension of this leg, okay, which is a very critical level. But even if we take into account the internal structure, guys, yeah, what we can do, we can go and draw wave 3 and 4 over here to see where wave 5 is going to extend perhaps. And look at this, guys. These 4, 2, 3 extensions come exactly at the same point, 0.66 cents. This is called the Fibonacci cluster, and I will be really taking this level seriously. So that's why I believe once we get this correction ended, perhaps we could move up to 66 cents in wave 3, okay, which is also going to be very close to completely having a very good attempt for minor wave 3. And once we get to 66, then we're probably looking for a decline in blue 4 and then all the way up again in blue 5, which is intermediate wave 1. Now these guys, we're getting close to the dollar, Okay, I know it might sound a bit too much to you, but in my opinion, the dollar is not far from coming. Okay, I mean, if I see decline over here, obviously I know that it will take longer time to get there. But if we see a decline here, and then I will be expecting that level to come through much faster, and then the correction in four will be much more shallow. And why? Because we've got from 0 to 1 over here for wave 2, guys. Don't forget rule of alternation, yeah? So if you see this, guys, yeah, wave 2 was 95% correction. So for wave 4, once we get to 66, in my opinion, yeah, we went from 66, wave 4 can even get down like 10% also, which is from 66 to 60. So wave 4 would be in. All right, so that's what I'm looking, guys, for H bar, okay? Now, let's go quickly on mana, the central land. For this, I will have to go a little bit further out and use the daily chart. We've had intermediate wave 1 and intermediate wave 2 down here. This to me looks like an expanded flat. Okay, you've got ABC, ABC, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, this move on the downside, as we said before, for flats, yeah, note that it also has a flat in wave 2, right? Flats, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now these 5 doesn't necessarily need to be impulsive. Okay, we can also have an ending diagonal in wave C. Okay, and that is still considered as an impulse, or not as an impulse, as a 5-wave move, but it's corrective, as you can see. Anyway, we've done our row over here, and since then we started moving up impulsively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1 done. We can draw an ascending triangle in the minor degree, yeah, within this internal structure of red 3, and from there impulsively up. This is 1 and 2, guys. This is 3 and 4, guys. And then we're gonna see another move to the upside, and this is where we're gonna see wave 3 ending. Okay, so you might say, well, are we gonna start moving lower? I don't think so. Okay, because this is 1 and 2. So this is 3 and 4. I'm expecting another move. Perhaps we will correct lower, but I will be expecting another move to the upside to take out blue 3. Okay, because we want 5 waves up. So far we've got 1, 2, and 3. We're going for the 4th. I want another one up. Now, how is the 4th one going to come? Yeah, if we take wave 1 over here, yeah, guys, look, we did the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, exactly the 61.8 Fibonacci, yeah? So 61.8, what does this mean, guys? When we get wave 3 in, then we can draw our Fibonacci retracement again from down here up to where wave 3 ends, yeah? And get the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. Now, I can do it now, and the 38.2 comes where? At 0.78. We are at 98 right now. If wave 3, minor 3 ended, then a potential correction down to 78 could, to me, be an indication for further upside in wave 5. Yeah, red in 3. Now, the only chance that we ended wave 3 is that if that is wave 1, that is wave 2, and then you've got 3, 4, and 5. But I doubt, because I want this impulse, guys, to be a wave 3, which means internally we've got, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Capiche? That's what I'm looking. Yeah? So I'm expecting for 4, and then for 5 of 3. I want the 5 of 3 to take out at least the 130. Okay, this is what I'm looking for, mana, guys. Then we get the correction, and the correction could go down, to the regression channel, ascending line. Okay, and from there, look for prices to continue higher. And where do we go from there? Oh, look at this. If we assume 3 is here, yeah, and we've done that, and we do the 38.2, yeah, of 3, if 3 is 135, and we'll go down to 87 or so. Okay, let's just do it a bit more realistically. We'll go down to 38.2. That's it, guys. Look at where the 161 extension is, at 284. Okay, at 284, and that will be, for me, where wave 3 can end, okay? Anywhere between 155 and 284. So guys, this will be all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, show your appreciation with your likes. Click on the notifications on, because when you miss updates, you miss opportunities most likely. And don't forget that, you can feel free to send me a message on my LinkedIn or Twitter, as well as leave a comment on the comments section.